Hello and welcome. There we go. Oh, sorry. Right. Another problem and another solution on the other side of the page, and that is what you call resourceful management. Right, resources. Talking about resources, and there we go. Pan shop pen. Actually, this is more expensive. Right, hold on. Right, so guys and girls, gentlemen and ladies from all over the world, greetings. And there we go. Now, our next problem in IPv4, I repeat IPv4, yes. Is it IPv4? Yes, it is, yeah. So our next problem in IPv4 is addressing. We will decide. Actually, I've already decided. Right, so it is going to be anyone who likes class A IP addressing. This is your time. Class A IP addressing. Right, so class A IP addressing. So we have chosen 10 dot. Remember, class A IP addresses start from 10.40.210 actually. That's the rest of the bits. So yeah, they start from 10 dot. So remember this for exams and learning purposes. So now what we got to do is we have been given subnet mask as well. So the subnet mask that has been given is this, right? Now there is a confusion and a discussion. Some people say it's a class B subnet mask. Some people say it's a class C subnet mask. So we'll just keep that discussion on the side. Excuse me, right, there we go. Maybe I had too much tea in the morning, right? So let's move forward. So what we are finding here is question mark. We have to find the subnet and then yeah, so that's what we're doing. We have to find the subnet mask. So where this IP address resides, or so we have to. So when we find the subnet mask, we will know that this IP address is inside that particular subnet mask. So any ideas, anyone? No? Okay, right. I'll start then. So as we know that our subnet mask, lovely subnet mask, is 255.255.255.0. So which means that furthermore we are going to apply our lovely 256 rule. So if you don't know what 256 rule is, kindly go back and see my videos, and there you will know the 256 rules. It's an invention which has been invented years back, but I discovered it and I invented it again in 2020. Yes, I did, yeah, last year. So thank you so much. It makes it more easier. So what we'll do is we will subtract 255. So how did I assume? So imagine this. Now we know that there is no value here. So I have just imagined and I have just organized and felt that there is no value here. So this must be 1. Yeah, so what I have kept is I have taken this as 1. Or if it is more easier for you, just assume that it has 1. So now when it's 1 of the whole value, then it is 255 because all the bits have been turned to 1. So supposedly if there were 8 bits inside there which were off, like the 0 bit, so we will switch them on, so which means it's going to be 255. So that's the easier way of it. If it's confusing you, You can do it your own way, but that's what it is. There we go. So I've found out one now. So which gives us another clue. So I'm gonna sort out my ranges now. So we have found out a range here. Sort out. When I say that it's ranges, it means it's going to be 10.0.0.0. So supposedly, but usually this is a subnet. So that's a subnet. But now if a range is going to be 0.0, 1.0, 2.0. Supposedly it works this way. Ranges, they work this way, and subnets, they work that way. So similarly we will carry on and on and on and on and on until we reach a point where we find 231 here. So it's a very unique, because you won't get something like this. It's good to understand the logic with, but it's one of those IP addresses you'll find very less, because it's more easier to sort of sum it up, if you know what I mean. So now what will be the answer? So now imagine this. We know that this will be a subnet, so that will be our subnet. 10 dot, just copy that, 40. We are interested in this area because there, if you see our ranges for 0.0, 1.0, so that one which came in, which has given us an idea here. So we are giving gaps of 1, 2, that's another network, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, and carrying on and on and on in the third octet. So we get 240.231.0. That's our subnet, and that is going to be our answer. I mean, always retake, always practice again and again, but that's the best way of it, because once you get something like this subnet mask, you have to assume this as 1, or just assume this as 1, which will stop you from making it more complex. Right, so to 10.40.231.0. So that's the answer here. So that's going to be our answer here. And I'll see you in the next video if time allows. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Do take care and good care of yourself, and keep on reading other material that you can. Stay happy, stay lively, and very important, keep on doing exercise. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, wrong product. There we go. Look, exercise. Right. Bye.